In this video, I'll show you how to refund Canva subscription. If you have used Canva trial, but accidentally Canva charged from you for their pro subscription and you want to take refund from Canva, you can do it. But one thing, remember that Canva is very strict to refund their pro subscription to the user. If you have really a valid reason to take refund, then you can apply. They will consider it. If they find your reason is valid, then they will definitely refund your subscription. So let's see how we can request to the Canva for Canva Pro subscription. First, search on Google Canva refund and click this link. There is all of the instructions here if you are eligible to take refund or not. So in most cases, Canva subscriptions aren't refundable. So you can see their terms of use. But if your reason is valid, then they will definitely consider your refund request. If you pay from card, then it will take 5 to 10 business days to get your refund. If you pay from PayPal, it will take 3 to 5 business days. If your payment method is other, then it may take 20 business days. If you pay from e-banks, it may take up to 30 business days. Or especially if it is installment payment, especially for Brazil, then processing time may vary. So these are the common conditions. So first, you need to read this page content if you want to attempt or request for your Canva Pro subscription refund. Now, again, search on Google Canva Help Center and you will find this page. Just click Contact Support. You need to first log in to your Canva account, as I am logged in to my Canva account. So now here you will see the Canva support page here, and now click payment, pricing and billing. Click here and it will open this page. And now click here and find the refund options available here. Just select I want to request a refund for my plan. Click here and now you need to explain your refund request here, why you want to request them to refund for your Canva subscription. You need to explain this. Maybe I forget to cancel my Canva Pro or Canva Teams plan. I cancel my plan before the trial ended but still got charged. I was unexpectedly charged from an additional team member. I never signed up. I was charged twice. I don't know why I charged. I accidentally purchased premium elements. So you can select one of them or none of the above and now explain your issue. Just let's say I was accidentally charged. Please accept my request to refund my Canva Pro subscription. So you need to explain why they will refund your Canva Pro subscription here. And you can give a screenshot if there is any technical issue. That is why you want to take refund. So now you need to click the submit button. As I am currently using a Canva free account, so this button is not available for me, but if I were using Canva Pro subscription, then this button will be available for me and this notification is displaying for the same reason. Just click here and wait 3 to 15 days. It may vary your payment method. If you paid from your card, it may take 5 to 10 business days. And as per this page condition, you will get refund from Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below. I will reply your question very soon. Thank you so much.